Good morning, my name is Alexis Vadillo, estudiante de Inglés 2 de la UNAM. My vacation in the month is usually went to the city of Medellin with my family. Why like that because city the trip to the trip to go expensive because my brother is there only spend I think very del money. Uh, the best thing about Medellin is climate and the people uh, very attractive. Went to several tourist cities in the city to Paisa Stone, to the municipality of Guatapé, El Peñol, where have different parks to Medellin because city on the shore, but the climate of Medellin has many changes or climate. In the morning is cloudy and frozen. The afternoon in the windy unti. In the night is cool. Uh, I recommend to the people visiting Medellin is the park, is the metro. Uh, will action with money shopping center which are very beautiful. Where us go on the subway on the metro cable. Where went to the Botero Park. We go to the old hacienda of the famosos. Antioquia is very good